we make further efforts for the peace building in Africa.
Throughout contemporary history, Japan has always made its utmost efforts to address the challenges of the international community, rooted on its own experience of following the path of a peaceful nation. And we promise you that Japan will bring more to the world as a member of the Security Council amid these increasingly complex and severe times. If elected to the Council, Japan will work with all of you as an active contributor to global peace and security. As a long-standing pathfinder for global solidarity and human security. And as a dedicated architect of a rules-based international order. We will spare no efforts to achieve a brighter, blooming future with the UN and its member states.